How to change Instagram chat color to default. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can change your Instagram chat color to its default color. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. In order to change the chat color, tap onto the messenger icon on your top right, then go on to the chat that you would like to do so. Here you can see that I have changed this chat color to a Galaxy one. In order to restore this color to a default, tap onto their profile and here tap onto theme. Then at this section, scroll below and under colors and gradients, you will see default option. Toggle it. Refresh your page and this is how you can change your chat theme to its default. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.